Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Skype problem. To not find a solution about Skype problem, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Skype. You will search about it here in this window. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.